वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल पहाड़ी केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस OSR Academy. From last few lectures, we are continuously discussing about the different types of functional groups and alkyl groups and the different compounds which are formed by their combination. Now, in this lecture, we are going to interrupt the previous functional group and alkyl group discussion. Before going to the next functional group, we have to discuss some important note. Small traits for common names of carboxylic acids, aldehyde ketones, cyanides, ester, acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, etc. For that, every carboxyl compound or ester or cyanide or acid chlorides or acid anhydrides or carboxylic acids have structure like this. For example, if we see carbon hydrogen triple bond or carbon hydrogen double bonded oxygen is present, we will start the name of that compound from form. Similarly, if CH3 is present, we will start its name from acid. Similarly, if C2H5 is present, we will start its name from propiol. In this case, it will be butene. In this case, it will be vanillin. In this case, it will be capro. These all names or these all short prefixes comes from the names of carboxylic acid which are obtained in nature from their natural sources. Now, look at these all primary prefixes. Write it properly in your copies. Then we will go to the next example. How to name them. Look, for carbon hydrogen, here the name starts from form. For CH3C, name will start from acid. For this, it will be propiol. For this, it will be butane. For this, it will be vanillin. For this, it will be capro. Now look, what happened in case of cyanides? How can we give name to the cyanides in common system from the name of carboxylic acids? Take a look. If cyanide is like this, from our previous discussion, what will we write for this? Form. And the compound will be formonitride. Formonitride. Its common name is also hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide. It is also known as hydrocyanic acid. Hydrocyanic acid. Just like hydrochloric, hydrochromic, hydroiodic, it is hydrocyanic acid. Its another name is prussic acid. Prussic acid. Now, if CH3 group is present, the name of this compound will start from acid. Yes, from previous discussion, we will start its name from acid. It will be acetonitride. In similar fashion, you can form propionitride, butyronitride, vanillonitride and capronitride. Always remember that the common names of compounds are possible only if the name of alkyl group and primary prefix is possible. When there is no possibility of giving the name of alkyl group or primary prefix, the common name for that compound is not possible. Then look how the common names of these compounds are given. Hydrogen cyanide, but for H and C we will write form. So it is formonitride. It will be acetonitride. It will be propionitride. It will be butyronitride. It will be vanillonitride. It will be capronitride. Again, take a small look for that. What we have earlier. What is our earlier discussion? we have already discussed that it is for, it is acid, it is propion. These are the primary prefixes. This is butyl, this is valine from valeric acid, this is capro from caproic acid, and if cyanide is present, that is nitrile group is present on that, the compound name will be harmonitrile. Here it is acetonitrile, here it is propianonitrile, butyronitride, valeronitride, capronitrile. Okay, you get it? Now let us move to the aldehydes. What happened in case of aldehydes? In case of aldehydes, the compounds look like this. Here C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, C2H5 C double bond O, C3H7 C double bond O, C3H8 C4H9 C double bond O, C5H11 C double bond O. Many of students always think difficult or always find difficult to write the name of these compounds. So if H is present, it is an aldehyde. Here also it is aldehyde, 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 here also it is aldehyde. But if H is not present, we all have to remember how to give name to the compounds which have structures like this. For this we will write for this we will write acid, for this we will write propion. Here yes, butyl, here valer, and next capro. These all we have discussed in the start of this lecture. So this aldehyde will be formaldehyde, this will be acetaldehyde, this will be propion aldehyde, this will be butyl aldehyde, this will be valeraldehyde, this will be caproaldehyde. Okay, you get it? Okay. Now what happens when the compound similarly starts with this and have OH group, then it will be for yes acid, yes propion, butyl, okay, valer, and then caprolus. Now we put ic acid, then it will be formic acid, it will be acetic acid, yes, this will be propionic acid, this will be butyric acid, it is valeric acid, and it is caproic acid. In very simple, I again revise that. You all have to remember the primary prefixes for common nomenclature or common naming of the compounds which are starts like this. If the compound starts like this, we have to give its name from form. For this, the name will start from yes acid. For this, the name will start from yes, its name will start from propion. Its name will start from butyl. Similarly, if C4H9 is present, the name will start from valer. And if C5H11 is present, the name will start from capro. First of all, you have to remember these short tricks or short primary prefixes which comes from the name of carboxylic acid. As you learn all these primary prefixes, you will easily able to write the name of common names of carboxylic acids, aldehydes, cyanides, esters, acid chlorides, etc. Again, we repeat the examples. So what I put before the name of this compound? Form. And it will be formonitride. It will be formonitride. What I put before the name of this compound? Yes, form. And if hydrogen is present, it is formaldehyde. What I put before the name of this compound? Yes, acid. And in common system, this compound will be acetaldehyde. So if the compound look like this, yes, propion. It is a propiononitride. And similar type of aldehyde will be, yes, propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Similar type of acid will be propionic acid. Propionic acid. So what you have to remember? The primary prefixes which we have learned or discussed in the start of our this lecture. Okay. For any ester, esters have structure like this: CH3, E double bond, O, OCH3. So what is the name of this group? Yes, acid. Okay, acid. And here it is methyl. So we write it as methyl acid. And this steric group is called as carboxylate. So its name will be acetate. Its name will be acetate. Okay. So before going to discuss the different functional groups present in carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, esters, acid chlorides, and acid anhydride, we must have to learn about the small tricks or common names of these compounds that I have already written on board in the start of lecture, which all you have to copy and remember them. Write the common names of the compounds containing cyanide group or carboxyl group or aldehydic group. Okay, thank you friend. It is all about our discussion. Thank you.